What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for checking your girl out. So today we're getting that Fenty girl. If you don't know, now you know. Rihanna recently added 6 new products to her Fenty Beauty makeup line for the Beach Please collection, for which I got 2 out of the 6 new product launches. She launched 3 new Killawatt duo highlighters, 2 lip trio kits, and 2 duo eyeshadow shimmery bling type situation. And I went ahead and got one of the lip trios in Summer Nights. Now you guys know I'm a gloss person, so this was an inevitable purchase. I love a good gloss. I love gloss that give dimension, that have a nice little shimmer in them. So when I saw this, specifically Snakeskin, I was like, this is right up my alley. So I'm really excited to play with this. And I also got one of the Killawatt foil highlighters. They call them hyper metallic finish because they're supposed to be a lot more intense than the original formula that she has currently. And I got this one in 7-Day Weekend and Poolside. So this I'm also really excited to play with. So I'm going to be playing with the new products that I have from Fenty. And I'm also going to be incorporating some of the products that I already have in my collection from her line. And we're going to try to get a good Fenty face today. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Before we get into the makeup look, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the swatches of the products that I got. And just to show you what the products look like up close. So this is the Killawatt foil highlighter. Look at that! How stinking cute. I can't wait to use this on my eyes. For this product launch, they encourage that these highlighter duos can be used all over the body and your eyes and stuff like that. So I'm going to be playing with this on my eyes today. And for the lip glosses, let me just take these out. So look at the packaging. How cute is this? So this one is in Snakeskin. Oh, this smells so good. It has a nice little light vanilla scent to it. Very nice. This one is called Mermaid Thighs. And this one is like a bluey pink. If I can open it. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's swatch it. I wonder if this one smells good. Yeah, this one smells good as well. And the last one, which I saw in Rihanna's Vogue tutorial, and I was like, I want that, is Vaycray. And it's like a pink with gold. Oh, it's so pretty. It's just like a pinky gold lip gloss. So that is the lip trio. And I just realized I didn't swatch the Killawatt foil highlighter. Like, who do I think I am? Let me go ahead and swatch this for y'all. This is 7-Day Weekend right here, as I mentioned before. Go ahead and swatch that as well. It's right beside Vaycray. And this is Poolside. So these are the products up close. Hope you guys can see the shifts in the lip glosses as I move my hands. Alright, y'all, so those are the swatches of the products. Let's get into this makeup look. Okay. I'm really excited to play today. I'm really excited to play. Alright, so let's get into this. Because we are doing a Fenty face, we got to start off with a Fenty base. So I'm using the Fenty Pro Filt'r primer. I love this primer because it's really hydrating. Then I'm going to go ahead in with this Makeup Geek eyeshadow Cocoa Bear and just apply that into my crease for a nice wash of color. It's a warm tone brown, but it's not super warm, so where it's going to overpower. So it's just a nice look, eyeshadow to give you a nice gradient. Then to the star of the show, hello, okay, this duo, I went ahead and applied Poolside on my lids, and as you can see, it wasn't really working out with the brush. I went ahead and applied it with my fingers, which really helped a lot. Now, I would say that you need to use a really good base with this because it does have like a highlight type formula. It's going to take a little bit more work to really pack on the color. It's meant to double as a highlighter and an eyeshadow. So you definitely need to take your time and build up this highlighter so that you can get, say, the pigmentation that you would get from a product that was formulated to be used just on the eyes. You know what I mean? And I went ahead and used the NYX base to apply it onto my lids, and hopefully you guys can see the side by side where it really did help to grab hold of the product. It really helped to intensify it. And then I went ahead and also put Poolside along my lower lash line. And as you can see, I'm feeling myself, girl. Taking a 7-Day Weekend, which, girl, now that I'm doing this voiceover, I just want to let you know this is bomb. It looks amazing. Amazing. It is so beautiful. Like, I'm hype. And on the skin, bomb. it's great. Anyways, I went ahead and applied that in my inner tear ducts, and I went ahead and also highlighted my brow bone with it. And for foundation, I went ahead and applied 420 from the Fenty line. And girl, if you don't have this product, as you can see, first of all, I love it. But if you don't have this product, get it together, because this product is so bomb. It's good at keeping you matte, but it doesn't keep you flat. This has been my blush, my go-to blush for the summer. This is Ginger Binge Moscow Mule from Fenty Beauty. Duh, I can't get enough of this product. I love it. Then I went ahead and used 7-Day Weekend, as I was just talking about, as a highlight, and girl, just take it in. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And on the day I recorded this, I couldn't stop looking at myself because I couldn't believe how buttery this look on my skin, especially since it was more of a pinky silvery highlight. It complements me really well. I didn't know how to act, sis. I didn't know how to act. I had to reel myself in because I was feeling myself. And you know your products are bomb when it's getting you to dance. And for the lips, I decided to go with Mermaid Thighs, and as you can see, it just knocked me out. I love this color. I think it really helps to complement the eyes because it's like a bluey, purpley, pinky silver. Does that even make sense? It's just all of that combined, and I felt like it went really nicely with this eye makeup look that I was rocking. And as you can see, I'm getting my life. And I just wanted you guys to really see my reaction and my little dance moves because it was, you know, it was getting me hype. It was getting me pumped. I was loving it. And then because I'm extra and I didn't want to have to pick between the two, I went ahead and applied Vaycray in the middle, and it gave me even more dimension. And you already know I love that. It looks so good together. And then just to finish up the eyes, I decided to add a kohl liner to my waterline because I felt like with the purple surrounding my eyes, it really helped to finish the look and draw people into my eyes. And that is it. That is me. I'm serving you face because I don't know how to act because these products have me feeling myself. Alright, y'all, so this is it for the final look. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I really had fun playing with these products, so I'm just going to go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts on the products that I picked up. Starting with the lip glosses. The lip glosses feel like butter, okay? They feel like butter on the lips. So creamy, like even Vaycray, they look like they have a bit of shimmer in it, and I can't feel it on the lips. You'd never guess that there's any sort of shimmer. It's very fine. It's just creamy on the lips, and I love that. Moving on to the Killawatt duo. I really like this duo, which I'm very surprised of. I knew for a fact I would love 7-Day Weekend, but Poolside, I was just like, I don't know how I feel about that. But I find that the both of them paired together really complement each other because Poolside has like a very subtle silvery-ish shift to it, and the 7-Day Weekend, because it's a pinky silver, really complements the shifts in Poolside. So together they complement each other really nicely. I was a little scared to try 7-Day Weekend as a highlight on my face, but I think that it actually looks really good. It's very smooth on the skin, just like the original formula, but definitely more high shine. Definitely. And it doesn't seem to be accentuating any of my texture. It just goes on really nice and smooth, and it complements my skin tone really nicely. Now, when it comes to eyeshadow, I definitely think that these take a little bit of work. As you guys could see in the demo, I started with a brush, which didn't really work out. Then I went ahead and applied with my fingers, which kind of amplified it a little bit. But I feel like I got the most payoff when I decided to pair it with my NYX glitter priming base. So definitely a good primer, and your finger with a patting motion. Oh no! Damn. Anyways, as I was saying, a good primer with your fingers, like patting it onto your lid, will definitely give you the most payoff for this product. However, I still think it stands alone really nicely on its own as like a really nice wash on your lids. More than just a wash, but not quite as pigmented as, say, a standalone eyeshadow. I definitely like this. It's really pretty. I didn't know how I'd feel about it, but I definitely really like it. So for me, these products are definitely a thumbs up, especially the lip glosses, because that's really what I purchased from the collection. I love lip glosses, and I think they're fun colors. Like, this is just a fun collection. So if you're into collecting makeup, or you just want to go ahead and try your hand at playing with some color for the summer, this is definitely something you might want to give a try. You know, she has a couple other foils that may be more up your alley if this isn't totally up your alley, or you may be more interested in the Summer Days lip trio, or even the eyeshadow bling. Go ham, go ahead and play with it in Sephora, check it out. I really love her products so far. I haven't been disappointed with anything I've really tried. So that is it for my review, swatches, and makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one on Monday. Okay? So be sure to subscribe because I upload a new video every Monday. So if you'd like to see more content from me, you got to be back here on Monday to see me again. Okay? So thank you for watching, and have a great day. Be safe until I see you next time, and that's it. I don't know why I'm still talking. Bye.